Dear students and parents, I am K.S. Xavier, Academic Secretary, Marygiri English Medium School, Secondapuram. I would like to discuss the significance of science stream for classes 11th and 12th and the related careers. Science stream enables the students to pursue careers related to STEM, that is, careers related to science, technology, engineering and mathematics. These STEM careers have the highest earning potential and also the lowest unemployment rate around the world. Another importance of STEM careers is that if you have a dream of immigrating to countries like US, UK, Australia, Germany, etc. and permanently settle there, STEM careers are of great benefit. For example, if you pursue higher studies in a STEM subject, that is science, technology, engineering or mathematics subject in the US, after your completion of the course, you will be provided 3 years of post-study work permit, which is also known as optional practical training. In the case of non-STEM subjects, the post-study work permit in the US is only 1 year, whereas in the case of STEM, it is 3 years. If such a student can find out a permanent job within these 3 years, he will be given H-1B visa, which eventually leads to the green card, which is the permanent residency in the UK. So it is highly advantageous for those who would pursue a dream of immigrating to US. Here in Marygiri English Medium School, we offer 3 subject combinations under the science stream. The first subject combination is English, Physics, Chemistry, Biology and Mathematics. That is full science with mathematics. The second science combination is English, Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics and Computer Science. That is science without biology. And the third stream is science without maths. That is English, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, and instead of mathematics, you can choose psychology. Now, let us see what are the higher study options for each of these subjects. Those who first complete plus 2 or 12th class with the physics, chemistry, biology can pursue all courses related to medicine, that is MBBS, Ayurveda, Homeo doctor or dentistry or other professions like agriculture, veterinary science, fishery science, dairy science, forestry, etc. Or they can pursue higher studies, that is BSc and MSc in basic science subjects like biology or botany or zoology or aquatic biology or marine biology, biotechnology, molecular biology, etc. Now, those who pursue 12th with mathematics, physics and chemistry can go for higher studies in the different branches of engineering like civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, computer science, IT, metallurgy, mining, petroleum engineering, chemical engineering, ceramic technology, marine engineering, naval architecture and shipbuilding, and so on. So, this combination with the mathematics, physics and chemistry have all the opportunities in the field of engineering and technology. If you pursue a dream of joining the National Defense Academy, then also 12th pass with maths, physics and chemistry is required. Again, if you would like to pursue training for a commercial pilot license, then also 12th pass with maths and physics is required. And we are very glad to announce that Marygree English Medium School also offers admission to integrated medical and engineering entrance oriented 11th and 12th, which is conducted in association with the leading entrance coaching agency Riju and PSK classes Thrissur. In this program, entrance coaching for NEET, JEE Main, JEE Advanced and Kerala Engineering entrance examination is given along with the regular classes of physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics. This entrance oriented program is highly beneficial to the student, to the smart, ambitious and hardworking students who can join the professional courses without dropping or repeating one more year after the plus 2. So we have been conducting this course for the last 3 years and we have wonderful results in this entrance oriented batch. Now let us see what are the career options for various streams. I have already discussed that those who pursue physics, chemistry, biology can go for any course related to biology or medicine or dentistry or agriculture, veterinary and so on. So, what are the leading institutions for MBBS? Of course, in India the leading institutions are AIIMS, that is All India Institute of Medical Science. Presently, there are 9 AIIMS, including the one at New Delhi. Then we have a JIPMER Pondicherry, AFMC Pune, and also medical colleges conducted by Government of India and central universities like Banaras Hindu University and Aligarh Muslim University. Again, we have a number of state government medical colleges also. In the private sector, the most reputed medical colleges are CMC Vellore, CMC Ludhiana, Kasturba Medical College, Manipal and St. John's Medical College, Bangalore. There is Amrita Medical College at Kochi, also having a high reputation. What is the admission procedure? In order to get admission in any of the medical colleges, either in the public sector or in the private sector in India, you need to qualify the entrance test called NEET or National Eligibility Cum Entrance Examination, which is conducted by the National Testing Agency, Government of India. If you want to go for MBBS abroad, in countries like Russia, China, Georgia, Philippines, Caribbeans, etc., then also you need to qualify the NEET test. Again, in the case of engineering subjects, I told you that there are more than 20 branches of engineering and technology, and the leading institutions in India providing engineering programs are of course the 23 IITs, 31 NITs, 30 triple ITs or Indian Institute of Information Technology, and more than 30 centrally funded technical institutions. What is the admission process? The admission to IITs are based on the rank list of JEE Advanced. There is a special engineering college run at Trivandrum, managed by ISRO, that is called the Indian Institute of Space Technology. There also admission is based on JEE Advanced. In the case of NITs, triple ITs and centrally funded technical institutions, the admission is based on the rank list of JEE Main. Only around 2 lakh toppers of JEE Main are permitted to write the JEE Advanced, which is the admission basis for IITs, ICERs and IIS. If a science student after 12th does not like to go for professional studies, they can continue their higher education in the field of academic subjects or basic sciences like mathematics, statistics, physics, chemistry, biology. So what are the top institutes for pursuing BSc or MSc or undergraduate and postgraduate degree in science? Are of course the 7 ICERs or All India Institute of Science Education and Research, which are spread at Trivandrum, Mohali, Bhopal, Pune, Calcutta, Tirupati and Berram. The admission is based on the rank list of JEE Advanced and few seats are filled by preparing a rank list and admission tested directly by the ISER, which is called ISER admission test also. Another topmost institute in the case of basic science is NISER, Bhubaneswar, for which there is a separate NISER admission test. Of course, the topmost institution in India for pursuing basic science is the prestigious Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Only around the top 100 students are admitted every year for the 5-year integrated BS and MS program at IISc Bangalore. This program of IISc Bangalore is highly reputed and they are directly given research and higher education opportunities in many universities in the US and Europe. So, pursuing basic science in these institutions are highly prestigious. The admission process to IISc Bangalore is mainly based on 3 streams. First stream is based on JEE Advanced rank list. Another admission pathway is the toppers of NEET can also join IISc based on their rank list. And again, another option is KVPY scholars are also given admission directly. In the case of basic sciences, if you don't get through these national institutes by clearing the written examination, then you can try for the usual BSc or MSc courses in basic sciences in various central and state universities in India. The topmost institutions for pursuing BSc and MSc in basic science are, of course, the central universities, including Delhi University. DU is a central university having about 80 constituent colleges. The leading colleges are St. Stephen's, Lady Sri Ram College, Sri Ram College of Commerce, Hindu College, Hansraj College, Jesus and Mary College, Sri Venkateswara College, etc. The admission is based on 12th mark. Again, there are about 50 central universities other than New Delhi. For admission to all these central universities, you need to clear an entrance examination after 12th class. These admission tests are conducted separately by the older central universities like Banaras Hindu University, Aligarh Muslim University, Hyderabad Central University, Pondicherry University, etc. In the case of new central universities like Central University of Kerala, Central University of Tamil Nadu, Central University of Rajasthan, Central University of Bihar, etc., there is a common entrance test for 15 new central universities. On the basis of that test, you can seek admission to BSc program in these universities. Or another option is joining the colleges under the universities in Kerala. The leading arts and science colleges for basic sciences in India are, of course, I told you, colleges in Delhi under the Delhi University like St. Stephen's, Hindu College, Kirori Mal College, etc. and also St. Xavier's, Mumbai, St. Xavier's, Kolkata, Madras Christian College, Loyola College, Chennai, Stella Maris College, Chennai, Christ University, Bangalore, St. Joseph's College, Bangalore, St. Joseph's College, Trichy, Devagiri College, Kozhikode, St. Berkman's College, Changanacheri, Marivanios, Trivandrum, and so on. So these are the possibilities to pursue higher education in the field of basic sciences. I repeat once again that the most important significance of science stream is that this science stream enables us a variety of career options after 12th, including entry to National Defence Academy, becoming a pilot. In order to become a commercial pilot, the topmost institution in India is Sanjay Gandhi Rashtriya Udan Academy, Amethi. The admission is based on an entrance test. The tuition fee for the program is around 35 lakhs. If you are ready to choose Merchant Navy as your career, you have two options. After 12th with Maths, Physics and Chemistry, you can join Indian Maritime University Chennai, which has campuses at Visakhapatnam, Kochi and Mumbai also. The two programs conducted by Indian Maritime University are, one is BTech in Marine Engineering, which enables you to become a third engineer in a merchant ship, and eventually you can become the chief engineer of the ship. Or you can take the BSc Nautical Science course, which enables you to begin your career as a third officer in a merchant ship, and eventually you can become the captain of the ship. Again, those who pursue 12th with the full science, that is physics, chemistry and biology, the options are medicine, engineering, veterinary, science, agriculture, forestry, dairy science, fishery science, etc. And also there is a variety of paramedical courses like nursing, including military nursing or pharmacy, optometry, physiotherapy, speech and language pathology or speech and hearing, etc. These medical careers are of great employment opportunities these days after the COVID scenario, especially around the world. There are a large number of vacancies for doctors, nurses and other healthcare professionals around the world. And this recession-proof careers are always having high employment opportunities. Again, you should understand that if you complete 12th with science, you can also go for all the professions or higher studies which are available to the students who have taken humanities stream or commerce stream also. Any science 12th completed students can also pursue courses like chartered accountancy, company secretary or business studies like BBA or MBA or also BCA, etc. Or as in the case of other humanities subjects, you can also pursue law, a course in law and become a lawyer. The topmost institutes are national law universities which are 19 in numbers. The admission is based on a common law admission test called CLAT. The minimum qualification is 12th with any subject combination. And any 12th passed students can also pursue degree course in hotel management and catering technology. The minimum qualification is 12th pass. Or if you are interested in careers like fashion designing, you can try for NIFT, National Institute of Fashion Technology, which has 17 campuses including the one at Kannur. The minimum qualification is 12th with any subject. Or if you feel that after 12th, science is not my cup of tea, I am no more interested in science, then you can pursue your higher studies in any of the humanities subjects like English literature, economics, political science, social work, sociology and so on. If you take a post-graduation, MA or MSc or MCO in any subject, you can write the National Eligibility Test or NET and become an assistant professor in a college or university. Or you can pursue PhD after Masters, which gives you higher weightage to become an assistant professor in a university. So these are the opportunities available for science stream students. So explore and find out your strengths, weaknesses, interest, aptitude and passion. Follow your passion and pursue a wonderful career. Then, why should you join CBSE Plus 2? We know that CBSE is the leading school education board in India, having 23,000 affiliated schools in India and about 35 countries abroad. The academic program of CBSE is having much high standard and it provides a strong foundation for writing any of the national level entrances and also recruitment tests conducted by UPSC like civil service examination, etc. So pursuing 12th under the CBSE will give you an upper edge, having a higher standard when you are writing for the entrance examinations, and we know that entrance examination is the basis and not the 12th marks for getting into the premier academic institutions in India. So that will be very much advantageous having the 12th CBSE stream compared with the state 12th boards. Again, why should you join Merigiri science stream for classes 11th and 12th? Whether you choose the entrance-oriented science batch of Merigiri or the general science batch of Merigiri with maths, without maths, etc., then we assure you that you are provided the education of the highest quality. Here in Merigiri, we have a wonderful bunch of highly qualified, well-experienced and efficient science teachers having more than 10 or 15 years of experience and having experience in conducting entrance coaching also. I am extremely glad to say that our English faculties for the 12th batch are also of the best, and if you want to pursue higher education abroad after 12th in an English speaking country like the US, UK, Canada, Ireland, New Zealand or Australia, definitely you can score high band when you appear for the IELTS. Most of our students used to get 8 or 8.5 bands out of 9 in the IELTS test all through these years. So, find out your passion, your aptitude, interest, your strengths and weaknesses, and select a suitable subject combination so that you can achieve your career goals. So, join Merigiri Science Stream and build up a wonderful career. All the best. Thank you.